Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant chat services or friend list is unavailable. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then go to network and internet. Then you need to go advanced network settings, and then press network reset and reset network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to remember your password because you will be asked to put your password again. And if you're using internet, you just need to press reset now, restart your computer, and you don't need to do here nothing. And look if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem still persists, then you need to go again on network and internet, advanced network settings, select your connection here, and then press this arrow down button, and then select more adapter options. Press edit, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses and put on preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you can open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run administrator, and then on this window you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and then hit enter, and then put another command, mesh winsock reset. Put this command, restart the computer, and the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.